Hi guys. I know it's been a while. Sorry. So yeah, I know I haven't posted a lot. Um, I'm working, so it's really hard. But like I've been sneezy the last few weeks. I think it's because of the pollen or like maybe dust or my cat. I don't know. Like I've been sneezing at work, but like I'm trying to hold them back because like I'm working in a restaurant, so like I I don't want to sneeze on the food, you know. Or like I cannot have my phone. Like yeah. Like yeah, life is pretty I was pretty bored. Life it's pretty busy. I'm looking for a car right now because I need one for college. I'm starting soon. Well, I had to take a break for like have enough money to pay my studies. So yeah, I'm starting soon. I'm starting soon college and nursing. So that's pretty great. Sorry. So yeah, my life is pretty busy right now, but I like it. So that's why I'm not doing a lot of videos. So I'm sorry for that. God, I'm sorry for the coughing. My nose is so itchy. Oh my god. I don't have tissues with me. That's really great. Sorry. My nose is so itchy. I'm sorry. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know what to say, but yeah. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Sorry. Can try to hold them back. Oh my god, that's so hard. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try again. If a sneeze can coming. Oh, I think it's coming. I didn't sneeze. That was a cough. I'm getting better. That's good. I mean, yeah. That was a cough. Also. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go.